Yep, all good. I'm filming.
Oh, shoot.
What? Oh, we're doing the stats project.
Yeah, we're talking about the stats project.
Woo.
Basically, our video is explaining the questions that are part of the stat test. This is part one while the car cools down a little bit. It's kind of hot out here, you know?
Yeah.
So, God, we gotta.
What the fuck? Start it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. It's so hot. I just take my shirt, bro.
Yeah. Okay, anyways, the STAT test, or the stat test as we like to call it, has questions. So, first question, just press option 1. That's the correct answer. Pretty self-explanatory. If you have only one answer, it's most likely going to be the answer. Next question, gender, female or male? We're not going to dive too much into that. 2 plus 2 equals, pretty easy again.
4.
Thank you, Kevin. 2 and 2. How many is that? How many fingers do I have?
12.
Yeah, thank you, Kevin.
You're welcome.
How do you spell B? Obviously B-E-E, because B, it would not be A-E-E, because that's not B.
What was the other option?
A-E-E.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
So obviously by that logic, we would have to multiply first and then subtract. PEMDAS, M-D-A-S. 3 times 7, which is 14 minus 19. When you take 15 minus 19, that is -5. Because that would make a negative number.
What? No, 15 minus 19 is -4. Idiot.
What did you hope to score on the AP Stats exam?
Damn.
Obviously.
Sorry.
The right answer is a 5. Obviously, you want to score the highest. There's no such thing as getting a 6 on AP Stats. And getting a 2, well, that's a failure. And if you didn't take the AP Stats exam. Questions. They're just simple, like, demographic, knowing more about the person taking the test. And, seeing, just a basic diagnostic of where they're at. Like, what's their intelligence, okay? Has some pretty elaborate questions. Which one of these is the Taylor series for sin x at c equals 0? Google, as you can see here. And it says that the answer, the x, see, it's ridiculous. What animal allegedly ate Amelia Earhart? Coconut crab, obviously, because, okay, recap. What must be true? Untrue, not unfalse, possibly false, Boolean, not statement on option 2, not 2, or Boolean and statement between option 1 and option 2. So answer is Boolean. Did I? No. He does not know. What is the most used word on Weezer's album Pinkerton? And the options are girl, got, and I'm. And the answer to that is I'm. Which one of these is a possible breeding combination for Baugart and My Singing Monsters? Toe Jammer and Fur Corn work perfectly. Which is accurate? This is not an ambiguous result. That's the answer. As you can see, some of these questions really depend on, your creativity. What does this ink blot look like? So as you can see, the ink blot is this. And the answer here is ink, because these tests means nothing. So the next couple of questions are just, diagnostics, and just some more questions to know more about. So true or false is right now, I cheated on this exam. Should be false. I did not cheat. That should be true. I like this assessment. Yes. Did you have fun? Yeah, of course you did. Come on now. Bias sampling results in inconclusive. Yeah, that's true. I want free points to boost my score. Yes, that's true. And true is true. Favorite musical artist. Now, any answer that would account it would be any musical artist listed right here. However, Garfield is not a right answer because Garfield is not an artist. What does the sonar noise in FNAF 2 represent in-game? It's based off, because there's a character in the events. Yeah. What's 21 minus 10 plus 10 is 21. So by that logic, 21 minus 10 is equal to 9. That should be obvious. Next is a meme in Spanish with Homer Simpson and Harry Potter. And in case you ever come across a scenario where someone's speaking a different language than you and you don't understand it, just respond to them in that language. Okay, that's always the right answer. Next up, all this Chinese lettering, right? And then the words Bing Chilling at the end. Correct answer is last one right there here. I'll just show you it. I don't want to butcher it completely. So there you go. That's all the questions answered, and